Hello everyone, my name is Clinton and I'll be talking about fruit names in Igbo language. The first on my list is banana. Banana is called unere in Igbo, just as the spelling goes. The next one I'll be talking about is guava. Guava is called gova. Yeah, sounds like the English name, right? We don't have more names in Igbo, so we just go by the way it sounds, gova. You have mangoes. Mangoes is called mango in Igbo, mango. So you have oranges or orange. It is called oroma. You have pawpaw. Pawpaw is called okoro. Pineapple is called akwolo. You have African star apple, which is called odara. Wow, how I love this food. I love udara so much. Udara is very, let me not talk about it. Just don't worry. They have coconut. Coconut is called aki oyibo or aki beke. Aki oyibo or aki beke. Depends on which one you want to use or which one is your dialect you speak. Coconut is called aki oyibo or aki beke. You have soursop, which is called soursop. Soursop is called soursop. Avocado is called ube beke or ube oyibo. Anyone you want, you can call it. It's called ube beke or ube oyibo. The next one is African pear or bush pear or bush plum or butterfruit. I don't even like all these bush things. Africa is not bush, so African pear, I go by the name African pear, but in case you see bush pear anywhere or bush plum, it's still maybe sensitive, but I prefer calling African pear because I don't like talking, classifying Africa as bush because it is absolutely no, I'm not in the bush, shall I? Okay, so African pear is called ube, just ube. Remember, avocado is ube beke, then African pear is just ube. Alright, so you have lime. Lime is called oroma nkirisi. Lime is called oroma nkirisi, just as the name goes. So jackfruit is called okwa oyibo. So you have tiger nuts, wonderful. Tiger nut is called akiawusa. You have mushroom is called eru. You have African bush mango. African bush mango is called ugiri. See? So you have pepper fruit. Pepper fruit is called mimi. Oh, seasonal fruit also. So there are I've mentioned seasonal fruits, many of them. But pepper fruit is is very peppery and wonderful, to eat. The seed is so peppery. And just make sure you have water close to you to dilute the effect of the pepper from the pepper fruit. Mimi. Okay, you have sugar cane. Sugar cane is called obete. Palm fruit. Palm fruit is called apple. You have pancano. Pancano is actually inside the apple. What do I mean? When you bring the palm fruit and remove the fleshy part, you can use a stone to break it up. The inner chewable part is called palm kernel, and it's called ake. Alright, it's actually very wonderful. Igbos eat it a whole lot. That's the ancient, the old Igbo. But it's still being eaten now too. So we have the last one that I have on my list, watermelon. Watermelon is called anyu awusa or anyu ugu. It is called anyu awusa, anyu ugu. Alright, thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned a whole lot. Bye bye.